Welcome to the American AVK Series 34 Indicator Post Overview module. In this module, you'll learn about the Series 34 indicator post, including function, standards and testing, construction features, and product range. AVK offers two types of indicator posts, the Series 34 Wall Indicator Post and the Series 34 Telescopic Indicator Post. The Series 34 Wall Indicator Post is a fire protection specific product, meaning it is only installed by fire protection contractors, whereas the Series 34 Telescopic Indicator Post is a waterworks crossover product. This means that the Series 34 Telescopic Indicator Post is installed by both waterworks and fire protection contractors. In this module, we will focus on fire protection installations. An indicator post is used to control the water supply to fire protection systems in buildings. The indicator post on the outside of the building controls the fire protection water supply system inside the building. The indicator post has a viewing window with a position indicator, which shows fire and other personnel whether the valve the indicator post is attached to is open or shut. The indicator post also has a tapping boss to allow for an electronic supervisory switch, which provides remote notification that a valve has been opened or closed. The operating wrench or hand wheel is typically locked to prevent tampering. An indicator post can be locked in the open or shut position. Here's a typical gate valve, check valve, and wall indicator post installation. As you can see, the wall indicator post is bolted horizontally to the wall of the building and connected to the gate valve inside the building by the wrench nut adapter. The telescopic indicator post, however, is connected to a buried gate valve connected to the water line entering the building. The Series 34 indicator post meets UL, ULC, and FM fire protection standards when installed on gate valves from 4 through 16 inches. Note that UL and FM do not recognize or test valves smaller than 4 inches. The UL 789 standard includes testing of rotating and moving target mechanisms of position indicators and involves a 1000 cycle performance test. The FM 1110 standard tests visibility, structural strength, and resistance to high temperatures. The Series 34 indicator post is manufactured in the USA at our ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certified facility and carries a 1-year warranty. Now let's discuss the unique design and construction features of the AVK Series 34 indicator post. The target assembly is designed for use with both the AVK Series 45 and Series 145 gate valves. As standard, the target assembly is set for a 6-inch valve. Depending on the actual valve size, the target assembly may need to be adjusted so that the post will accurately indicate whether a valve is open or shut. The target assembly is accessible through the indicator bonnet, making the target easy to set and maintain. Detailed instructions can be found in the AVK Series 34 Operations and Maintenance Manual. The flange on the Series 34 wall indicator post has been scalloped out to lower cost and reduce weight, while still maintaining the industry standards for flange thickness. Let's take a quick look at the materials used on the Series 34 indicator post. On the wall indicator, the bolts, washers, and nuts are zinc-plated steel as standard. 304 stainless steel is optional. On the telescopic indicator, the bolts, washers, and nuts are 304 stainless steel as standard. 316 stainless steel is optional. The body, bonnet, wrench nut adapter, hand wheel, and operating wrench are ductile iron to ASTM A536 standards. The target and the operating nut are bronze. The target sign is painted aluminum. The window is polycarbonate, and the stems are steel. The lower barrel on the telescopic indicator post is PVC as standard, ductile iron is optional. For fire protection installations, the Series 34 wall post is typically mounted to a Series 145 or Series 45 gate valve. The Series 34 wall indicator post works with all AVK NRS gate valves from 2.5 through 16 inches and will work with other manufacturers' 2.5 through 12-inch and 16-inch NRS gate valves with a 2-inch square wrench nut. However, in a typical fire protection installation, the wall indicator post would not be mounted to an NRS gate valve larger than 10 inches. The wall indicator post is available in 2 fixed stem lengths, which can be cut by the customer to accommodate actual wall thickness. The telescopic indicator post is typically mounted to a Series 45 gate valve. It cannot be used with the Series 145 gate valve, as the Series 145 is not available with a post indicator plate. The telescopic indicator post works with all AVK NRS gate valves from 2.5 through 24 inches and will work with other manufacturers' 2.5 through 12-inch and 16-inch NRS gate valves with a 2-inch square wrench nut. There are multiple lengths available for the telescopic indicator post. The length of the stem and lower barrel on each of these can be adjusted up to 23 inches. Depending on the valve size, total bury depth will vary. A non-telescoping indicator post is also available on request. Now that you've completed this training, let's review the highlights of the module. In this module, you learned that the Series 34 indicator post is used to control the water supply to fire protection systems in buildings. The indicator on the outside of the building controls the fire protection water supply line inside the building. This indicator post is UL/ULC listed and FM approved when installed on gate valves from 4 inches through 16 inches. The wall indicator post will accommodate AVK NRS gate valves from 2.5 through 16 inches, while the telescopic indicator post will work with any AVK NRS gate valve from 2.5 through 24 inches. These indicator posts will work with any manufacturer's 2.5 through 12-inch and 16-inch NRS gate valves. The Series 34 indicator post is made in the USA and carries a 1-year warranty. Congratulations! You've completed this module.